This is a video on adjusting the Hairbrella swim cap. So if you want to loosen it, you press the button in the center. Comes apart. You can see that fits right in there, like that. Then you want to adjust it to your fit. So you use these two if you want to make it tighter. Hold on to the band right there, and then pull. It is snug. It is tough because we want to make sure it stays in place, but you won't break it. Just that, as you can see, it is pulling. If you want to loosen it, do the same on the underside. You see that strap there? Hold the band and pull. Now, mind you, it does already fit snug when you put it on, so you definitely want to try it on first before you adjust this. Once it's on, of course, you can snap here and pull both at the same time, and it will tighten. And again, if you want to loosen it, just hold that band right there, pull, pull. You actually might need to adjust the top side first, and then pull that. And again, it moves a little slow, but it is moving. But once it's in place, you should have your fit. You shouldn't have to adjust it much again, unless you maybe want to tighten it a little more. And to take it off, instead of trying to pull any straps, you just take this apart, and once you put it back on, you've already got the perfect fit.